Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to find out more about me, feel free to watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. Now today I want to play for you theme that is the A1 piece composed by Thomas Attwood from the Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM Grade 1 for the 2019 and 2020. Now, let me play this one for you. I will try in this one to play more than explaining, even though I will give you some tip, some information, yeah? Now I'm playing this one. It is original tempo, that is, we can say 108, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... I want to play this one also slowly. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Now, a few things you need to really know about this one. Let's start talking about one of the most complicated bar for many of my students is the last one of the first line that you will find again in the last line, 3 bars from the end. Is due to this very uncomfortable for now interval of eighth, B, B. Now, obviously, we have to, on one side, wait that your hand will grow, but one thing that we can do is repeating several times, as much as you can, this big jump. If you can't reach, simply stretching the fingers and the hand, the B, the low B and the B very close to the middle C, you can obviously learn how to jump. Do this action many times. Also, be advised that the composer was very kind, and also the musicologist that revised, the supervisor of this book. So you see that we don't have any legato, any slur in between these two notes. They are supposed to be not that much legato. Obviously, we have to respect the tempo, the speed, but you can definitely detach these two notes. They don't have to be legato exactly like they are legato in all the bars, yeah? So da da di da di da. Indeed, look what I do. Ba do da, and 2 and 1 and 2 and da, again 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then you go on. I want to clarify that I haven't played twice the first section, even though I should, simply because it's not required for the exam, so it's not needed any repetition of this kind for the exam. Regarding the main characteristic of this theme, you see that you have staccato notes on the right and legato notes, smooth notes on the left. Luckily, the legato, you see, is bar by bar in the left, yeah? And regarding the staccato, many of you know already how to play the staccato. If you have no idea yet how to play the staccato, you can either watch one of my videos in which I've explained how to play the staccato. Is exactly the one regarding Some Folks Do from John Thompson, The Easiest Piano Course Part 3. But I can also repeat again shortly how to play the staccato. Remember, the staccato means detached. What does it mean detached in practice? That you have to play these notes bouncing. Obviously we have to also understand how to bounce and how to treat every single note. So staccato means detached. Detached in practice means that you have to shorten these notes. You have to shorten these notes. You have to reduce the amount of sound of these notes. When we are at medium tempo, I always suggest to reduce the amount of the sound to half of the value of the note. If the note is a crochet, you will play on 1 and you will release the note on end of 1. You play on 2 and you release the note on end of 2. When you will study, you will simply do 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. It's a very mechanical way, I know, but this is the first step for playing very well then in the future the theme, this composition, this song. Then what else you will really need? Obviously, if I have to show you how to play and together these passages, it will sound 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... You see, when I play the second quaver of each couple, I release the right hand note on the second quaver. I play together on the first quaver of this couple and I release the right hand note on the second. Look, in practice will be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Trust me, in this way you will definitely play well when you will speed up. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Then, I've already explained how to play this bar and obviously also this one. What else you need to know? Nothing special. It's exactly all about this staccato and legato. This is a technical problem due to the length of the hand, but it's normal. But you can solve, as I've told you. Imagine that your hand doesn't go further than these. You can simply do 1 and 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 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Et voila! You know what does it mean poco ritardando? Means that you have to slow down just a little bit and then you go back a tempo. A tempo means respecting the first tempo, the andante at 108. I think you don't need anything else. This is more than enough, I think. Thank you very much for watching, and obviously if you have any question, feel free to comment, to ask me, and I will be very happy to help. Thank you for today. See you, bye.